following message is transmitted at the request of the GoreBox world government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 3 a.m., authorities confirmed the appearance of a dangerous unknown entity identified as Gordal Horror. Witnesses described the creature as wearing a scarred outfit, carrying a sniper rifle, and having glowing white eyes that can be seen from long distances. It is also reported to be capable of flight and can quickly move between rooftops, forests, caves, and residential neighborhoods. Current reports indicate that the creature is highly alert to sound. Loud voices, alarms, music, shouting, and other unnecessary noises may reveal your location. Residents are instructed to remain as quiet as possible and avoid making any noise unless absolutely necessary. A shelter-in-place order has been issued for all cities, towns, and rural communities across GoreBox world. If you are currently inside a building, remain there. Lock and secure all doors and windows immediately. Close curtains and blinds to reduce visibility from outside. Turn off unnecessary lights and avoid standing near windows or glass doors. Keep flashlights, food, drinking water, first aid supplies, and communication devices nearby. If you legally possess equipment for self-defense, keep it safely accessible and follow all local laws and official instructions. Do not leave your shelter unless directed to do so by emergency authorities. Emergency response teams are continuing to investigate multiple sightings reported near residential areas, forests, highways, and abandoned cave systems. Citizens are reminded not to travel unless absolutely necessary. Roads may be blocked, and emergency vehicles require clear access. If you hear unusual noises outside your home, remain calm and do not investigate. If you hear knocking at your door after midnight, do not open it unless you can positively verify that it is an official emergency responder. Avoid responding to unknown voices or sounds coming from outside. Parents and guardians should keep children close at all times. Check on elderly family members and anyone who may require assistance while remaining indoors. Keep pets inside your home and ensure they remain quiet. Continue monitoring official emergency broadcasts for updated instructions. Do not spread rumors or unconfirmed information, as this may interfere with emergency operations. Remain calm. Stay alert. Stay indoors. The shelter-in-place order will remain in effect until the GoreBox world government announces that the threat has ended. Be close attention, everyone. The world is going to end it. Gordal Horror has been detected in your area, and in multiple surrounding locations reports indicate that these hostile creatures are attacking anyone they encounter. All residents are ordered to shelter in place immediately. Lock all doors and windows, remain indoors, and avoid all unnecessary noise. Do not approach the creatures under any circumstances. Continue monitoring this station for official updates and further instructions.